Whether you are on the road or at home, these 5 tips are sure to help you have a successful birthday celebration. So what is the best way to celebrate a birthday in an Airstream? Join us as we share some fun tips for a successful birthday.
Birthdays are awesome.
Tip number 1. Create a birthday schedule before the big day arrives.
Oh, wow.
Isn't that cool? She's got everything documented, right? The schedule's down to a T. First we eat breakfast all the way down to watch a show slumber party. That's awesome.
Sometimes it's hard to know where to start when planning a birthday, especially when you may have limited resources. But we like to start our pre-birthday planning with an outline of events for the day. Now we may not necessarily stick to this schedule, but it's nice to have a little idea of how we'd like to spend our time before the official birthday rolls around.
Oh, we made it to the island now.
Oh, you got some seaweed too.
We often like to pick a theme as well. You can see all of these fun different theme choices that we've chosen in the past.
Molly, where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? What's he doing out there? Where's Papa?
Tip number 2, plan a special activity. Find a significant activity that will be sure to create fun memories for this specific birthday. Something that you wouldn't just do on any occasion. For Alexis' 9th birthday, she chose horseback riding. At one of our favorite yearly camping spots in Michigan, they offer horseback riding on trails, but you have to be 9 years old to participate. Alexis had been watching these horses since our very first camping trip here when she was only 4 years old, and she was so excited to finally turn 9 years old so she too could take a ride on the trails. Tip number 3, food, food, food. There's a reason I say it 3 times. Food at any special event or holiday helps create the full scope of memories, including all 5 of our amazing senses. Plan some special treats that you wouldn't just have for any occasion. Make them special just for this specific birthday.
So what was your special requested birthday dinner?
And plan to have much more food than you'll actually need, so there's always plenty of choices. And bonus, after the big day of celebrating, you can just plan on relaxing and eating leftovers all the following day.
So tell us what is on the menu here.
Waffles, cupcakes. We have dragon fruit, star fruit, cherries, papaya, watermelon, honeydew, coconut.
Those
These
are
things
fun.
are so good.
Every meal has a dessert today, doesn't it?
Tip number 4, keep birthday traditions. While it is fun to do something new and exciting every year to celebrate the next birthday, it's also fun to keep a few traditions that you'll do every year to celebrate birthdays. One thing we started when Alexis was 3 years old was to do a birthday camping trip to Leadington, Michigan. We were also sure to get the Super Pigs dinner from the House of Flavors in Leadington to celebrate each year. She even gets a cute new pin every year to commemorate the event. Keeping birthday traditions definitely adds to the magic of birthdays.
Happy birthday to you. Woo! And many more.
Make your wish and blow 'em out.
And you can start your birthday tradition at any point in the timeline. What are some birthday traditions that you have already? Or maybe some that you could start this year? Tell us in the comments, we'd love to hear.
It's gone.
I know, it's almost gone. Look at that. Dad, I got that tray.
She's eating.
Lou and I were working on our tray here. Whoa! What was that?
Tip number 5. Decorations add that special feeling. Decorate with a theme or color scheme. I absolutely love decorating with themes, but even just picking a nice color scheme, like this silver Airstream birthday that we did for my husband. The birthday cake featured an Airstream camping in a forest of lavender. We added a few fairy lights to the silver balloons.
Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you.
Is it time for cake yet?
It really adds a nice touch to anyone's birthday celebration.
Make a good wish, honey. Nice!
Handmade Airstream cards add a personal touch. My daughter even drew me singing in our Airstream. This year's theme for Alexis was tropical fruit, so we added in a rainbow of bright colors as well. Well, I hope you found these tips helpful, and be sure to share your tips for creating the most memorable and enjoyable birthday, whether it be on wheels or stationary. And now, for all of those who have been following along on our big 75-day road trip, Alexis's 9th birthday actually marks our 75th day. So here's just a quick recap of her special day.
So we have Alexis's birthday breakfast, 9th birthday breakfast, right? Rambutan. And it's quite an interesting little contraption. It's got very thick skin, and it's got the fleshy fruit that just kind of pops out, and then a pit in the middle that you take out to eat it. What's it taste like?
Tastes like grapes.
Does it really?
So first we eat breakfast, waffles, and the cupcakes. Let's see. Let me check that one off.
Check. Exotic fruit breakfast, cupcakes.
Next we go to the pool, dry up, snack, Oreos. Pool time!
Forever's our understay. Bright and days are on their way.
Whoa!
Chasing sunsets in the sky. Won't let these moments pass us by. Take my hand, don't be afraid.
It's a Pegasus.
Brighter
Holly, you're looking after this.
What is it?
Happy birthday, dear Alexis. Happy birthday.
Thank you! Horse ride, 1 hour, eat lunch.
Someone is super excited about her horse ride today. So what horse did you want to ride today?
I wanted to ride that one.
The white one, Toby. And which one do you get to ride today?
Toby.
Isn't that awesome? That's so cool. Look how beautiful Toby is. Oh yeah, your legs are a little short, aren't they?
Whoa.
Open it. What could it be? What is it?
The dog.
A dog.
It's no dog. It's the fairy with the lion.
Yeah. What do you think it is, Dada?
It's definitely the dog.
It's a dog.
It's an owl. Definitely the owl. It is the owl.
Oh boy, that's
Look
cool.
at that. Add on to all of these creatures. So now you've got all the friends here. What's next on the agenda?
Go to the trail.
Happy birthday, dear Alexis. Happy birthday to you.
Settle.
Thank you.
Settle.
How you doing?
I'm doing good.
From one of our favorite campgrounds in Michigan, we head over to our favorite trail in Michigan, Lost Lake Trail.
Getting lost is time not wasted. As long as it's with you.
What do you see?
I see fish.
Roads and
Fishy
foreign
fish.
places that we're traveling through. We could drive round in circles. Any place will do. Endless days and fields of purple in our cars review. And crowds are always few. And I get lost with you. We'll stray away from the avenue.
Next stop is that birthday tradition that we mentioned earlier, the Super Pigs dinner at the House of Flavors restaurant.
How's your Super Pigs dinner?
Good.
Good. The magical creatures here and the dragon family all here to celebrate Alexis and her 9th birthday.
Don't forget little Polly over there.
Guarding us, Polly, making sure it's all okay. So Alexis, how is your ice cream?
It's gone.
I know, it's almost gone. Look at that. Dada got that tray. Lou and I were working on our tray here. Whoa! What was that?
Do Lost Lake Trail, hang out at the lake, go to the House of Flavors.
And now back to camp for a 5-course birthday dinner.
Course number 1, corn dogs and fruit. Course 2, pizza. Course number 3. So what was your special requested birthday dinner?
Spaghetti.
Ooh, spaghetti from the main course. And what else?
Corn dogs.
And?
Pizza. It's not gonna like this one. I love these things.
Birthday, happy birthday to Sissy.
What is it?
It's poop bags.
That's the gift that keeps giving all year long.
Flow on 3. 1, 2.
We've had a lot of sugar today. Alexis planned sweet treats at every meal today.
You got your normal cream cheese on it.
Oh man, does this one have the mayonnaise on it?
Come back, climb sand dunes, eat dinner, which is pasta, corn dogs, and pizza. Dessert, carrot cake. Present time and top favorites, 3 top favorites.
Woo!
Happy birthday, dear
Alexis, who is 9 years old.
Happy birthday to you.
You're not.
And
Many more. It's Alexis's birthday, everybody!
Woohoo! 9 years old! Woo!
Yup, birthdays are awesome.
Awesome. That is a fun-filled day, isn't it?
Yep.
Well, we almost did everything on this extensive birthday
Play at
list.
the park, rent a boat for 2 hours, go to Holiday Island.
Luckily, we still have day 2.
Day 2 birthday celebrations.
And what are we doing today?
We are going to do this boat and meet up with Daddy on the island.
Aw, hey girls, we're almost to the island. And that is the campground. Good paddling, Lil. Oh, we made it to the island now. Nice job, Lou.
Here they come. Oh, you got some seaweed too.
We appreciate you so much celebrating Alexis' 9th birthday with us and joining us on this fun journey. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure you share your favorite birthday memory in the comments below.